How to create new wallet addresses on Coinbase. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get new Bitcoin addresses or any other cryptocurrencies new addresses on your Coinbase account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So for this, you don't have to use the Coinbase app. Instead, you have to use the Coinbase's web version. So open up any browser on your phone, and you can also use computer. Now once you're in your browser, you have to search for Coinbase, then go to this website coinbase.com, then here sign in, and after you sign in you have to turn on the desktop mode. So to turn on desktop mode, tap on these three dots in the top right corner here, and then check this desktop site option. So now once the desktop site is loaded, zoom in and you have to tap on your profile picture in the top right corner here, and then here tap on settings, and then here once you're on your settings, you have to scroll this to the left, and here you will see crypto addresses option. Tap on it and then tap on go to Coinbase account, and then here you will see your crypto addresses. So tap on this drop down, and from here select the cryptocurrency of which you want to get new address. So for example, I'll select Bitcoin. Now after selecting Bitcoin, you will here get the option to create new address. So you have to tap on it, and here it says successfully created a new BTC address. And now to open the address, you have to tap on the address, and here you will get the QR code and here the address, and this is how you can get new wallet addresses on Coinbase. Thanks for watching.